Welcome. In this video I will show you how to customize the turbofan settings on your Nubia RedMagic 11 Air smartphone. So first of all, let's access cooler settings. In the settings menu, scroll down to cooling fan menu here, open it. Now to activate the cooling fan, switch this toggle to the right and then select the mode, either the balanced one or the fast cooling, which will let you enable the cooling at 24,000 rotations per minute speed. Besides, we can also adjust additional settings in the cooling fan menu, like fast cooling while fast charging. So we can enable the maximum rotation speed while the phone is fast charging to prevent the overheating. And we can also enable pausing fan during calls so that we can prevent the fan noise from interfering with calls. And we can also customize the fan start sound, so either none or cool the car, dynamic, supercar, or cross-country speed. So let's check what they sound like. For example, cool the car. So let's select. Doesn't sound like anything for me, honestly, but yeah, that's generally all the settings we have for the cooling fan on the smartphone. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.